अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने भारी भरकम टैरिफ की धमकी देकर पाक भारत जंग रुकवाने का दावा कर दिया। अमरीका सऊदी बिजनेस फोरम से खिताब में कहा कि पाकिस्तान और भारत में एटमी जंग होने वाली थी। 350% टैरिफ और अमरीका के साथ तिजारती पाबंदी की धमकी दी तो मोदी ने कॉल करके कहा कि अब हम जंग नहीं कर रहे। शहबाज शरीफ ने भी फ़ोन पर कहा कि एटमी जंग रुकवाकर उन्होंने लाखों जानें बचाई।
India, Pakistan, they were going to go at it, nuclear weapons. They said, that's okay, you can go at it, but I'm putting a 350% tariff on each country. No more trade with the United States. No, you can't do that. I said, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to have you guys shooting nuclear weapons at each other, killing millions of people. 350% tariff to settle that war. If you don't, we'll make a nice trade deal. They were in the midst of a deal. Prime Minister of Pakistan called me. Thank you very much. President Trump saved millions and millions of lives. And I got a call from Prime Minister Modi saying, we're done. I said, you're done with what? We're not going to go to war.